So we are on the way. Guys coming, yeah, they are coming. Off we go. It is on. Best part about ADV bikes, don't slow down near speed breakers. So sun is out and we are a little late than usual. We start a little too early, but that's okay. It's just about fine, just about perfect for one amazing ride. So guys, fueling is done. You can see the fuel bar is full. That gives a different level of satisfaction. Okay guys, so now we are on the highway to Ibrahimpatnam, and then we'll go to Nagarjuna Sagar, and then we'll go to Vizag colony. This is the plan for today by the time we return in the evening. So now we are cruising at comfortable speeds, and the best part about the bike is the ergonomics. It's so damn comfortable, and the amount of power on tap is just phenomenal. Just look at the ring of the throttle and you just whiz past everyone else. You leave them behind in the rear view mirror. So that's the best thing about the Adventure 390. It's powerful, just the right amount of power. Very capable chassis for road touring as well as off-roading. So what happens is, when you have a good off-roader, it doesn't do all that well, or doesn't feel at home while doing road touring. But that's where the 390 Adventure comes shining through. Comfortable saddle, very good seating posture, wide handlebar, perfectly sorted ergonomics, such that you don't have to feel fatigued, or you don't feel fatigued at all, even after riding for quite a long distance. ఇక్కడ ముందు బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ ఉంటుందేమో. ఓకే, నీ ఇష్టం. ఏది బాగుంటుంది టేస్ట్? ఇక్కడ ముందు ఆగిపోదాం. Breakfast destination arrived. Okay, bhai log, breakfast is done now. It's time to enjoy the ride. Let's get going. When to turn, when not to turn. A lot of wind blast. The rate at which it improves on this bike is just simply superb. There is a problem. You can see people coming onto our lanes, even the heavy vehicles. Goodness gracious, those legs are insane. Wow. Wide open road. We are doing easily 100 kilometers per hour, and we can stay there. We can cruise continuously at 100 kilometers per hour effortlessly. That's how powerful and well built this bike is. almost reached Nagarjuna Sagar. We're just few kilometers away and we'll be reaching there any moment. And the weather has cooled down now. It was a little too hot halfway through, but now it is cooled down, so let's hope for good weather there, and let's hope for some good visuals, videos and drone shots, hoping for at the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. This is the first time I'm visiting that place. Many people have been there, many friends have been there, they have actually sung praises, and after that we will be heading to Vizag colony. We are already here. 2 or 3 kilometers away. There you can see. Beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful. Let's hope for the best. A lot of traffic, oncoming traffic. So guys, today's adventure ride ends here, Nagarjuna Sagar. This is part 1 of 2, and we're headed to Vizag colony from here. So let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys part 2. Stay tuned for part 2 coming up.